You adofonom edamasi se mo hwe na mutie na naba nwakoni itie suna sudi ade many Reverend Father Theophilus Nkrumah Hagan ene yehie mu last week ehia yehwe empaibo enne so yase ehia ye toaso said the last week mutie na enne so yesa toaso enu nti no mi se brand mama na bompaye na jese yabobo so anga kranti yenko
Jap yoba and unconcurrent edium. No. Or true for no point uncle Poyet was Sunday so near against. Yes, also for Swara, come upon ever one summer. Number one who do him to be and soon. Ye be so Jesus Christ, will not just say what come before and bra any area, no.
You so for last week, you share prayer and Bible. Now, which be brain, never say, oh, born of Tofa, 9 years, so yes, I'm twice now. You bonus one of a mind.
And see the pen now the second, and then I will change the same Bible. Bible at the Bible. They say a communication between you and your God. You must say, Bible, Ahubumian, vocal prayer, and silent prayer. Now you must say, and Bible beyond a cabin. Every never be able to do, and me, you want to pay, and your own also. Am I near who say, ye next perfect time at the bonfire? A bibian, your bonfire, delete, and see. Near who say, Empire Bonus, so yes, your bonus will be a one who may hear you, another one which will be a bonfire. And was some power by ye, with Dada Adriani. Name of the cousin Pablo, it is some from Mark, Yedge, Ujajia, Ubu. So we jump by one so swap. The Cariso Christiania home pine, or the sisters be Ukrainia, Ukiafua, Ukifu, no Nessican, and as only my she got away into that's in purple, name you win your open, sending it. Do you really ever share a choir, a first a bomb pine, as an expression of prayer? You will say you are a vocal prayer, any mental prayer. If you vocal prayer, then you do home last week, people will say. And Bible be a bar a prayer a vocal until you
last week they could see in the father I can't aboning in out of the Amaya and it's Asan and Nadia never cosuno a try nearby Nabutena train. Nanabama couldn't add off on a Catholic GDSM and a de Bremo
with GDA. And I say, Memagina Niaja or back a new home concon it. And a summer will summon what you see. And now Gideon what you see. And Nuntina me sumful. Reverend Father Theophilus Nkrumah Hagan. A neck Catholic Asoria a wolfing from the mantle. I dies of Capus. As she should be medias from Kwa Yaptrinidine. Catholic. Gideon and say, and not on the other four. Shame, Sa will quad away, and will quad the beer, and nombre, non son, and a fa. It was Sa Casamfonation. Now be ensure.
You Yakwaba, Adofanum, Nanabama Kuni, me suffer Reverend Father Theophilus Nkrumah Hagan. Another issue, your Baba mental prayer. Last week, na a vocal prayer and na a mental prayer. Father, you can say mental prayer a day. You won't say.
You can't mental the ability of your mind. And see, a empire, your bone, it's and as I empire, young coming P. Young. Now, Father John Hatton actually be said, ye come mental prayer, ye can empire. O my dear, Winna a quonyamine. Oh, ye young Cassidy presume. A chain obedient. they are opposite say. As a last week, make I say, you can vocal prayer. A bit try and pay a yatre at all. A bit try and pay beer, it will be no swafan away. Walk. But mental prayer, you are not in somebody's shoe. And you want money and coupon, a deal come up from within until you walk no winning and coupon. A deal. Na sa kumudie and people bring a yokumuyum. It comes in the form of silence. What do I say? Na sa silence ni ojine chia na so you know onu ni masama wo ka. My mama wo faton ba. Ya kai Sam wo me di kan no a. Etire ba ko. First Samuel chapter 1. Abraham ko aso de gobo mpai. Yes no obesebesana but asama no kan. So for Nancy, it was a form of mental prayer. What do I say? Even though no move, but na something yet. MP. It's mental prayer and MP one. But only have various forms. Fundamental prayer. But meditation.
A genuine immune empire.
Meditation.
Okay.
You come meditation. Prayer. What do what be 18 babies? Now, what be we at Codium? More for Toba. Therefore, is an Oba Catholic as of Mua. What about 2 years? Assembly, different crucifixion. Oh, you were tabernacle. Oh, you were a motifo. You winning. Oh, who to bet Tinasa would we need Jesus. Our say assembly was sa in comedy, you come face to face with God. It's a woman said Jesus on two when nipa show me, but when Jesus will, which is no one near the Ekasa. Oh, to what not tabernacle. When Jesus Ekasa, a form of mental prayer. What is it? It's be a young kasam, a mental prayer, and in this case, we are talking about meditation. So you meditate, and in meditation, you imagine. It involves imagination. It's very matter what you are not to transfer are. Sir, when you see me, be a Mary, before you see me. Person many Mary Casa. No can be betraying a couple. And mammy, I see you penny for Tetrabrano, and I said, I was away up and out from my papa. I forgot from papa. A people need power money to win him. A quick ground to a young mammy. What is it? And it's who pass off no more. Mary, I say, mammy. I'm connecting in relation to meditation. And to what nothing. What do we need to if we know so? And you for no kind of natural, but another year presentation. It represents something. It's what did you know? Wouldn't say as someone may come, may you be a madam as so it involves imagination. 2, it engages the thought. A year again, empire. A year empire will be a year again. Empire. It's prayer of meditation. It involves more of the mind. What do you say? We have emotions attached to it. Also, open to make trust ye, but not be Tim be swan. I can meet you.
I don't know what you are. No, whom are they as some walker?
But also, I was crying. But I saw one in someone in the orc. So meditation also involves imaginations, thoughts, emotions. Then the last aspect of it here, desire. What do you say? Me person me baby. As someone may come and pursue better. we ye me makoma so ade yeso bitimi say yafa mark asampa ne tiri no mu a bright Jesus egusu a onko eye onko say James na ba yare no yeso ba bi no yebo di gugu efa domdum ebe den ho sabeka but oba ne bono spashi onu aka kire me masere minim sabe de mensa kana tade a mi ya yasa
abra obi anti
e yasem onu kan with the truth, and that is what came to light. What you say? And that is a form of meditation, a mental prayer. You can mental prayer, that's a meditation. We are talking about dependence or dependency on the world. Obia only pepan unto your mental prayer. Because I am pioneer go for kumebi nitumi abo. As long as you can say, if I show you free vocal prayer, and it said, "Am I na?" Because one and say, "Oh, koba, oh, kasa, oh, tonsa," it's a more active. I would say, "Probably say be a pastor, so out of me you come now." You need rather castle come more. What's up with us? I said,
"You be
at Nkofo Bebre,
a bit more that." Okay,
because they have not developed to that stage. To my dream kwa a bompire. But what some say, I want tear for who so in the million Casancasam, Omacassi, air contemplatives. Would they use their mind and their senses in prayer? Utini Teresa are of the available. Ultimate not so bompire. Ombienam but otefako. I was to call a scratch or the local not true. No, we picture. No, say, St. John of the Cross. AB. Who told you, Margaret Pompey without opening their mouth and miraculous way happen. It's a form of mental prayer, meditation, about. Now, what did the sacrifice, mammy? Now, men trust. Beautiful, Mamma. Psalm 4, verse 4. David and a 3 and 9, and can show and 9. Or a 4 of them, which we actually petition you when I was working. Joshua chapter 1, verse 8, Psalm 19, verse 14. Philippians 4 verse 8, Matthew 6 verse 6, Genesis 24, 63. We now instances of mental prayer or meditation. Kind Psalm 4 verse 4 here.
Or say, Mubufua, Munya Bone, Munkasa, Mumu, Akumem. It's also Bufua. Yes, I would do a funichi, a prayer money. No one tina so bakum, no one in Yakupo and Cassa. What do you say? I was so much so in Yakupo and Cassa. Oh, Wakum. I better come, Matthew, dear mammy. Matthew 6 verses. Matthew 6 verses.
Matthew 6. Near here as someone, Jesus also, a better. Our meditation.
Or see. Now, what dear, what a bonfire.
So, what dear bonfire,
San Opium,
Code.
Now to open
to pronum,
bo a jar or walk woman pie.
The underlying wedding you cook, bo a jar or walk woman pie. Ne a jar, woman, bebua, betia oka. Na a jar or who is talking about meditative prayer.
Yo, a jar or who betia oka, a genimal empire, meditative ne yɛ du so no adɔfo no yɛda yɛn ho na yaba.
Dream big, as big as the ocean blue.
Yo, Father, na wamubu asem so na mitwa so na yakobae. Adofo na etie na naba mu akoni me ne me so for Reverend Father Theophilus Nkrumah Hagan na yehia. Enti afa na ochi mu kasamfo yen de ato kale jedie ensem so a ya so na ti baby a yedu ye contemplating prayer. Ochechire ma du baby a emu eko deep. Enti me mana so. Father,
eti nanaba bani adofo a motim ye ka meditation and I say mental prayer ya ka meditation the to so mienu am pese ye hwe ebeye different contemplation and that's a contemplative prayer. Contemplative prayer is a silent attentiveness which looks at God by contemplating and adoring his attributes. Eye empire ba ko a wona wo bo empire no wo hwe Nyankopon na wo bo no abodini e wo kwan sonko bi so e wo empire mo. But this time it's also mental. Say my father said Nyankopon abodi ba ko ni say oye Nyankopon be wa e friend Nyankopon. Nyankopon ka say oye nyanko a odo ho to no so a wotwere no a wompon ntubi wode no ho atwe urade so a wahwe ase odia se sakas wo tumi afa kasi senti nyankopon a be de mo twere so a menhwe ase di ade na ewo nyankopon mu a ema menhwe ase etu wo hye ase adwendwen yakopon ni su ene ne ban enwoma pa oye sedia e wasa mede me ho to so na adentia mede mo tu nipa so a nipa di me hwam e ya mede mo ho to so a oni hwam oye se itenye nkomodi a woni Yankopon edi but eno no so wo adwemu
we nyina na ye kokuo mu pa ya o kan ko techi fellow say shen upie mu na bo waja
but eno no nkyere se wode mu nko na ebo we
ozi kokuo mu upie mu
eno nkyere se wode mu nko a obetu akotena aso de abosan pa we wo so obetu na pa ba sima mu na wa pe bebi atena obi mpongo se wo ye bibi no nya kwedi ngomo e wa sa pa wo so kew buka ba san pa ozo bi mo take wa sa se da obi tu kra potential wo da wo du tiato e ko nya no so by yourself have a meditation what just eti the other person get traction say meditation and as a contemplation the same pain can in na e ya machede se nyame amosa machede na you can't again also it's very easy so baby one more pay your boss ma ton but it's not easy having meditation but so we shasien kakra ubedu
na question person me say enemri meditation no I say e was a wo sheda anya wo din guy o say wo pie mu wo store wo den mu baby a wo betimi aye na nyama bi wo wa so de kan wa na you can blue red black and green na
say ye ka empire meditation
na wo te wo na wo meditate
baby a wo yam a ikebe bua pa e ya so because of the environment ɛnyɛ saa so a sɛ wonya altar mɛka altar no deɛ yɛ carrot from yɛte ase ɛwɔ wo dan na wonya crucifix Yesu picture bi ɛto so ebia wonya ɔkandle stand mmienu ebi wode esi so ɛwo nyɛ sɛ wobɛyusu lavender anaasɛ spray anaasɛ candle green anaa blue anaasɛ ordinary candle yɛde yɛ asɔre a wode baako press so crucifix so wo Bible ɛda wo make that place a place of prayer sɛ hɔ na wobɛtena na wayɛ wabɔ mpae na pensa no mu ɛbɛboa wo sɛ pɛ sɛ meditation anaasɛ contemplative prayer woyɛ sɛ wode wadwe bɛsi biribi so mpaebɔ no so kɛseɛ enti wobɛsɛ sa anaasɛ enti wobɛsɛ saa asɛm wɔ yi mu yɛka contemplation is nothing else than a close sharing between friends. It means taking time frequently to be alone with him who we know loves us. When you are someone who tells the reason, okay. Or see a cat empire at the same. Ye can paya Emma. Ye should be your coupon. Ye bring your paya down for. It's like a couple between two closed friends. Then you have a young form. And not your special time. I was saying a special time. And you're going to go. Mamma can't way. There's other way we can go for better. Well, what brings here? What's your sheep about the dominant?
Yeah.
Don't know.
So, anytime you are not saying. I say okay now friend no
very good.
They be out of Tonga.
Celebrated tip show about them for friend. Anapa, offer. Ewia. Elumre. Just say, oh no, friend, oh next say, oh no way ye day, they do much to say, oh we did. Oh, that kind of intimacy. But one was friend, oh, and I mean, say one cat. Never want to say, if you don't want friend, what's about it with 80 days the whole day now, make say one cat. 80 won't be cheap. That kind of communication, and then I do one a common wow. That's an intimacy. Sound a contemplative prayer. I tell you. You need to put this sound common up quick here. A deal crowd as a woman was umpire. Who drink? What is it? I don't see young men to my mention and pay back whom you lubina, young fashion. You mention be as a form of prayer. A petition. Prayer of petition. You get petitioner. A empire young boy the side be free young couple. Erade, me hiaware. Erade, me hiaba. What do I say? Erade, me hiajuba. A prayer petition. Me maybe my application. Erade, go. Where will mamma? A petition. Prayer petition. Oh, Bible. What kind? Philippians chapter 4, verse 6 to 7. It talks about petition. 1 Samuel chapter 1, verse 9 to 11. Hannah and Empire. Or see a brother say what you want when you may be said, dear mammy. What does it? She was petitioning God or saying, or saying, Yammy, and you be hearing a family. Another prayer, form of prayer, a devotion. Sapre when you would the message can tree. But if I can say a too much empire. Devotion. Charismatic volume. What's your good devotion? And you could try my answer. What did I say?
Morning devotion.
Very good. I come for dinner year typical devotional prayer. Oh, and what and empire giddy and mental prayer. but the one can get to come woman. The being your class, how I ran it. Yabo, you see, you did this spice now, come upon crown, each into a Passia Baba senses now, come on. Legend of Mary, a devotional book. Saint Teresa, a devotional book. Mary, Mother of Perpetual Hell, Nuku, a devotional book. It was another yet to put TV, the rest of the abuse was so similar. Yet, per se, you jealous. You perceive Shiam. As a look for to me, ye per se, ye Shiaus, and no Mary, ye per se, ye Shiaus. It's a devotion to Mary, ye Shia Mary, the Sua. Oh, now, and no, I quite say a young paya that shred a woman, like but a directed towards one. Yes, it will far and be poor. On my attention now with Mary, Esho. Who for Jesus now, on my attention now, Jesus, and then Akuma, a bra, almost. Who for Mutini Antonia, Mutini Antonia may now, Agony, a war, Mutini Antonia, a bra, or boy, Esho. Son of Fa, see what for condition for. On my being now, a year, Mutini John, Bofu. Nebra or boy, yes. It just a who fool be not brabo. No, they are young fatum. The one for signing proposal. I can't be young. Now,
Father, I mean, a simple question. And what should you do on my head? Say, dear boy, a minimum pie. Ye 2 and 1 pie boom. Yes, ready, you know. And what should you do first for no year, and then what should you do? And for sure, and yammy pie. And for sure. That's a young baby fool, baby say, I bet a smart name. What what to say? I bet a pure baby are shady leader. Will my pantry, I bet they did a young man. Who said a peer didn't a peer free baby Malacan? Ha! It's before every peer show, let's just say, don't persuade me. And yet, some we now say what kind of so beautiful. What do you say? This is so close so beautiful. What was someone? What someone better know? Oh, what kind of show? What do you say? It's a little pinos memoir. A year. And not because I get the beyond and someone who will not cooperate one more class and try. Ah, could you? Eh, now, when you could you? I better ask Michelle on bank, you know. Hey, my car was yet to move. Okay. Into our banking. Okay. And I don't know. Take the M1 by branch, you are what you not getting you, but M1 by an empire won't go so but you will go. But who will someone who can, as now one, so come as much. It's a mental pride. If I should do, Yabo was I was by mobile. None about anything. None of the say, wouldn't you could drive? That's a kind of distraction. What do you say? Do my woman mental prayer? A best of this obelisk is so dry. The way I'm buying about a walk, that direction. Very good. It's the edge, there's a lot of distractions. Now, to send you, she do my best work. Menumian Sabia Mapasian ye a better. Now, when you quite a fashionable player, Nina, into the HM, and the office will be to me a fashion, which me a fashion. A year don't be able to say, won't mean cut once into no Bible. I don't do your national into no Bible. But I hope me a transfer what you see, Bishop, when you're Pacassan, a perfect. It's a witch of pine. It's so much a pine. No, dear. The number, you will swear a car. FR from 0243 110438. Yami encounter. You Nadia so Yaba every year, you're so for church, said and Pibum a hodo. Nanabama Kuni, so for Reverend Father Chief Loss and Kroma Hagan. And then they are not yet your baby. I don't find so say what you media. Frenoma, Essi or Casafidia, see. Kasamfonia say Sanomano na when ending komo to four hotel ɛyɛ baabi a asomdwe ɛwɔ hɔ yɛ kama woduwa baabi a hɔ nyunyunyu frɛ mpanimfoɔ ɛwɔ kasamfoni nɔma na ɛkɔ no frɛ no na wone ɔmo ni nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ dunkwa wobɛsia kɔ Kumase wofiri Kumase ɛkɔ Takoradi ana wofiri Takoradi ba Kumase anankran Ghana ha baabi a wopɛ sɛ wasomtɔ wa bra na bɛgye wa home Father, Bompire na yamfa dwumedi na mrebi.
Eja ne oba ne hu konkro no ediemo. Otu fo na odoma ko yankopon ye de wasem so sene de so. Wahwe ye so, waka etifo. Ye so se, obi bia na adwene ne sunsun edi dwumedi achi. Mena hoden ma ontumi enje na so enkwewiye. Saa so ye so se, me yaboafo wo muntumi embo dwumedi e ho ba no amadwumedi etumi eja na so. Na wodom enye enchechia pa o mo so. You beside Jesus Christ, no, not just your cocoa before, and brought any area.
Your mamma, that's